That was a little scary. Nothing like getting lost in the woods, eh? So now we go this way, right?
Yep. Which way? This way.
This way, I think.
Oh shit. We didn't come from this way. We know that.
Well, we went walking in that way, and we were walking that way.
You want to double check that on the map?
I do.
Yeah.
All right.
That's a good idea.
To be continued. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I really appreciate that. It's pretty awesome. Pretty excited. I'm on my way to head over to Joe's house. We're about to drive up to Wisconsin. So plans have changed a few times so far. Originally I was going to go up to Michigan. I wanted to do the Manistee River Trail and the North Country Trail Loop, which sounded like a lot of fun, but Joe and I talked and looked at the forecast. We wanted to go back and do the Manistee River Trail, but the weather was so bad. It was supposed to be down to like negative temperatures on Saturday night, and we're just not really feeling that. So we're gonna head up tonight instead of tomorrow night. Today's Friday, up to the Ice Age Trail in Wisconsin and do a few miles out there. Camp overnight. It's supposed to get a lot of snow tonight, so it should be a lot of fun. And yeah. Here it's freaking 8:22 p.m. in January. There's the sun. There's some old style sitting over there.
Oh, sweet!
Ooh,
Dude.
got John. We got a John. Oh, nice. Ooh, watch out for that.
Now I'm gonna park there.
All right.
Hopefully that's not 5-0.
Prime donut weather. Yeah. Ooh, doggy. We're in it now.
Yeah, buddy. Fuck yeah, dude.
What's up, dude? All right. Let's see here. So how far are we going? 4 miles?
Yeah, about that.
All right. Let's do this.
Gotta check the hooch.
Yep.
Hooch stash.
Man, my hands are shaking so bad. Ah, it's trash.
All trash.
You jerks. Gnarly.
Big shit, dude.
Man, the snow is coming down. I bet you there wasn't any snow on this trail this morning. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, were you saying that because of the sign? Oh, I thought you meant like I was wearing myself out too fast or something. I don't know if you guys can see any of this right now, but just hiking down a straight and narrow path. I've been in and out of the woods a little bit so far. 4.4 miles to the cabin. Pretty beautiful out here for as cold as it is, though. Alright, well, we missed our turn. Back there on that big stretch. Thanks to Google, we're bushwhacking it back to the trail. Not too far. This time of year it's actually kind of nice. Whew. Thank you, Google. That was a little scary. Nothing like getting lost in the woods, eh? So now we go this way, right?
This way?
This way, I think.
this way. We know that.
Well, we went walking in that way and we were walking that way.
Double check that on the map.
I do.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
To be continued. Yeah. Well, the snow's coming down. Yeah, that's a huge lake. I don't think I'd be able to see it if it wasn't covered in snow. Yep, so we found the cult gathering spot. This is where they come to murder people in the night. Probably shouldn't be standing here. This is also yellow ninja territory. I've encountered a lot of ninjas last year. I encountered the blue ninjas, the orange ninjas.
What the hell is a ninja?
Now I'm on the yellow ninja trail.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for those. You can hear them screaming in the night. And in case anybody can see past the snow and fog coming out of me, that is a giant lake in front of us. You probably can't see it on camera. That's a bummer. Actually, hold on. Let me try turning off the flash.
You can walk down there a little further too.
Alright, the flash is turned off. Maybe now you can see it. It's pretty dark out here. It's not bad though with the snow. It's kind of making things visible.
Yeah, people are approaching water though.
Yeah, this is
might be iced over a little bit.
yeah, I wouldn't want to walk out there.
Any of that on camera?
A little bit.
That'd be a lake, my friend.
It's a big lake in the middle of the woods.
Alright.
Alright, let's head back up there. I hope this is in focus because I can't see that. Man, freaking snow zombies. We got yellow ninjas and snow zombies. They're just leading everywhere. Oh shit. How far do you think we've gone already? Half a mile.
I think we done 2.
Yeah, 2 sounds about right.
I know it's slow going, but
At least we're going. Yeah. So that's probably the lake over there, right?
oh, we're past it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can kind of see it looks like a cornfield. It's so crazy hiking out here at night. Like, you know, I'm sure once it's daytime, it's gonna look totally different. Obviously, that's a stupid comment. Go ahead, anybody watching on YouTube, just tear me apart for that one. You mean the detour we took?
Yeah.
No, that was just the scenic route.
Right. Just getting miles.
You are here. Okay, and where's the parking lot?
Right at the 12 right there.
Oh man. Yeah, we didn't go there.
Look like
I mean, I feel like we've gone at least 2 miles.
yeah, I would say that's right.
So we're like barely halfway. Alright, cool. Onward. Alright. Definitely slippery.
That's pretty easy to do, dude.
Oh,
I did a 1-foot slide.
damn. This snow is just relentless, man. It's almost 10:30. We're still hiking. Talking to the camera. We got here at about 8:20. So we've been hiking for 2 hours now. It's still snowing. There's definitely been some accumulation on the trails, as you can see. And we gotta be getting there soon. I would say we're getting close to 3/4 of the way there, maybe a little less. think we're both slowing down a little bit. Neither of us got much sleep last night, worked all day, and now we're hiking. Can't wait to get to camp. A lot of up and down out here.
Area to park.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
Here not too long ago.
The roads are not clear at all. So just to fill everybody in, we've officially been hiking for exactly 3 hours. Pretty damn tired. It's still snowing. And there's a point in the trail that crosses the road, which is a good sign. It means we're close to camp. Oh boy. And I am ready to get there.
Alright, well, gotta find the entrance. It's over here somewhere.
I think it's that right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow. We made it. I gotta get this pack off. Whew. Oh man, this is a nice shelter.
Yeah.
Got a picnic table, fire ring. Beautiful. Can't wait to see it during the day. Still snowing. All right, well, it's pretty cold. Not much else to say besides that. We got a fire going, cooked some brats, some chili, just kind of prepared for bed. Pretty lucky that we had the shelter here. That made things a little bit easier in terms of keeping organized and keeping warm. The tents are inside the shelter. We're not putting them outside. It's just a little too cold. But testing out this sleeping bag. Hopefully it keeps me warm. And we're gonna get some sleep. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Good morning, everybody. Ooh, chilly night. Went to bed, it was about 21 degrees. Woke up and it said 13. Pretty damn cold, but how's that for a view? I didn't expect to wake up to that. Very beautiful. packed up. Nice cool morning. Beautiful out here, absolutely beautiful. That's one of the things I love about hiking at night. You don't know what you're gonna wake up to. We probably got about a good 6 inches of snow last night. And needless to say, it was tough to hike through, but let's get back out there.
Holding in our footprints from last night.
Whew! The aftermath of the storm. Beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. Video does not do these hills justice, that's for sure. Oh wow, we got some nice pine trees over here too. I didn't even realize that.
Little pine stand.
Yeah.
It's a shame we don't hike right through it. But
I know. I love pine trees. Jealous of those dudes. Ooh, tired. Back where we were last night. More than halfway back to the cars. 4.4 miles. Crazy beautiful. Snow is pretty deep. It's a tough hike. It's only 4.4 miles in, 4.4 miles back out to the parking lot. But man, this snow makes it hard. Really hard to hike. But it's beautiful. It is so gorgeous out here. Would love to come back here one day and fish this lake. That is beautiful. Alright, I gotta keep hiking. Now we're back at the other side of the lake. This is really hard. There's a good 6 inches of snow on the ground, and it's like walking in sand everywhere you go. We're not even going that far, and I am beat. Also kind of hurt my knee a little bit, but that's okay. It's not much too farther to the car, and then we're gonna go get some breakfast. Whew, good hike. Whew. Finally back at the parking lot, man. This one was rough. This snow was deep and cold. Got me moving slow, that's for sure. Ooh. Never seen a better sight in my life than your car right there.
I think I left my window open a little.
I noticed that when you were driving.
Yeah, dude.
I thought you were doing it on purpose.
No, but I left it open overnight.
Yeah, you were a good one. The end.
Hey everybody, I just want to say thanks for watching. I can't tell you how much I enjoy sharing my trips and adventures with you. 2018 was an amazing year for me. I learned a lot, I met some amazing people, and I'm really excited about the plans that I have for 2019. So with that being said, I did put some links in the video description. One of those is for Tentlife Productions, who's actually my friend Joe that you saw in this video with me. He's actually the one who organized this whole trip. We originally had different plans, but because of the bad weather, those got canceled, and Joe had the idea to come up here to the Ice Age Trail. So Joe posts his adventures under Tentlife Productions on his YouTube. He has an Instagram for it and other outlets as well. He also owns a Facebook group called Midwest Adventures. So basically, if you're from the Midwest and if you're looking for an outdoor adventure and you don't know where to start, then you need to join Midwest Adventures on Facebook. That's pretty much where you're going to find local events that are definitely worth your while. And these are all, most of them are organized by Joe. He does work with some other groups as well, but you know, all of that puts you in contact with a great network of local hikers, paddlers, backpackers, etc. So go click those links, go check those out. And then the last two links are for me. So in addition to my YouTube channel, I have also designed my own website where I post a lot of my trips, and then an Instagram account as well. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to and share my channels if you enjoy experiencing my adventures. So last thing I want to say is I just wish everybody has a very happy new year, and I hope you all can get outside as much as possible this year. I know I'll be trying to as well. So until next time, thank you for watching.